Alright, so let me show you how you can create IBM Watson account and create a notebook, allocate all the resources you need for you to be able to run your Python code inside IBM Watson as Jupyter Notebook. So to start, I already have account. If you don't have Google account, I'm sure you have. You need to log using it. I'm going to hit login. I already type IBM Watson, and then let's wait and see. Alright, so I log in already, so I'm here, but I already create a new project. I'm going to add another project. So to do so, I can come to new project here, or I can come to this one. But for the first time, if you are new, you need to come to this create new project. When you hit create new project, you will come here. When you come to this window, you need to create an empty project, for example. And then while creating an empty project, it will set here this side, and you can see here it is looking for the storage. This is the cloud they give us, the free cloud they give us. So sometimes you can see that they'll ask you to add the storage, the cloud, and if you don't have it, go to add, then create the cloud. When you create the cloud, and then refresh your browser, and then you come back to this side, you come back to where we were, and this side you go and come to create a new project. You will come here, and then only you will be able to see this one. So what we are going to do now, I'm going to just create the project. I'll give a name, Python project. I'll give the name as Python projects. I'm not going to give any description. If you want, you can give it. This restrict who can be a collaborator. You can add a collaborator, you can work with someone. So for that, you have to check this one. When you uncheck it, it means you are the only one who can use it. So I will check it. Maybe I can have one. Maybe you, the one who is going to watch this video, you can comment, and then we will be able to connect and work together. So I will hit it in this button, create. It will take some time, but don't worry, it is really fast while running your code. And they provide you a real PC with very good everything capacities, and you can see here I'm the only one collaborators, and they are giving me the cloud object storage. It is empty right now, 0. So my name is showing here, and everything is here. I can have, this is the assets, you don't have one yet, and then this is the environment. You can set it. I already have this one, and you can see no environment currently running, so it's fine. And deployment, control access, like who you are going to give permission, and then settings to change something. So but now let me add a project as I want. That's what I want to show you. If you come to environment, first of all, you will see a bunch of stuff, and it's really nice. So these are the environment where you can run your project. It is really no environment because we didn't choose it. We can select by default what we want to use. So we can run Python, Scala, Spark, all you can run here. So by default, Python is giving us this one. The notebook is giving us 2 CPUs and 8 GB RAM. This one is the default that they are providing. So what we are going to do now, we are going to leave it as default. We can choose on this Python. This is R for 6. This is R, and then this is notebook. It's also for Spark and Python. You can run both, and this is for Spark and Scala, and a lot of things you can, as you can see here. So the default one is 2 CPUs and 8 GB RAM. That's good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to here I'm going to hit this button, add project. When I hit add project, they will show me this window, and I have to choose what I have to do, what I want to do. Means if I want to data a file that you will upload, you already have it, you want to upload it, you click in this one. If you want to create a new notebook, run a shell piece of codes to process your data immediately via and you can view the results. It's here. You have to, if this is for Watson machine learning, analyzing data is machine learning or deep learning algorithms. There are a lot of things, stream flow for example. And for now, because we want to just create a new notebook, let me create a notebook. When you click notebook, they tell you new notebook, they will tell you blank. You have to give the name, and this is what I told you. This is the default environment, runtime environment they provide for us. And you can change it. Of course, you can change it. You can see, you can change it by taking the one you wish, But I will leave it as default. Okay. So the language is Python 3.6, and I'm going to use this one. I'll create just hello. I'll just give I'll just revision. This one I will use it to revise, to do some small works. I'm now going to create it in this create. It will just take maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and then we will go. Yeah, so now it's loading. They are going to set the environment. They are installing the runtime for revision. It means for our project, whatever we are going to do, they are allocating everything, making everything ready for us to be able to use it. Good. I hope you will enjoy. Let's wait. Okay, so now we are here. This is the what we were looking for. So just to check if it is working, but the first thing we used to do in any programming language, so print hello world. Boom, we have it. Hello world. So it's working really nice. So you can do in this one, if I can get a equal to, I can do hello world. I don't need to write print even. I just need to put, if I put a, I will just run it. It is showing me hello. That's all I want to show you. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.